this video I want to show you how you can make some funny, creepy, or even useful animations just by using a free site. And the site we're going to use here is called clickdragclick.com. Now once you create your image, it'll go into this front page here so other people can see it. So it's quite easy to use. All you have to do is put the image URL in here. So of course the image is going to have to be uploaded. So as an example, I'm going to take one from Google Images here. Okay, and then search on whatever type of image you want to use here. So I'm going to say Bart Simpson. Now you should really have the rights to use the image, but I'm just going to do this as an example. So if you click on it and then you see over here it says view image, click on that, and then you can take the URL out of the URL bar at the top of your browser, just copy it out, and then we're going to paste it in here and go. Okay, so this brings in the original picture. Now what we can do is click on a section and then we can start moving it or selecting it and moving it. So let's draw a circle around here. Now we can drag that down and then click. Alright, so let's just click on sequence here, and it shows us about what it looks like. And sequence also animates your brush strokes. Okay, so let's click stop. So you can play around with this a little bit. Now if you don't like what you've done, you can clear the drawing part and it'll go back to the original. Okay, so let's click here. Alright, and then click sequence and see what it does. Okay, that's a little disturbing. But you get the idea. You just play around with it and see what you can come up with. Alright, so I'm going to just do one more here. Okay, let's do sequence. Okay, and then you can do more than one, so let's okay, so you get the idea. You can mess around with it and get it to look the way you want. So let's stop that. Now what you do now when you have it the way you want is you click upload here, and you'll see here that it's going to go through and render it. Okay, so I stopped it and cleared it because I don't actually want to go through with that one. But let me show you how you could actually create something useful with this. Alright, so what I'm going to do is create an animated order button here. So I'm going to get the URL for this and copy it. We'll go back over to click, drag, click. We'll paste it in here. So you could use your own logo, your business logo, or any type of image you like, and then you can go ahead and do some animation with it. So let's do something here. Let's make the order button pop out at us a little bit. Let's do a circle around it here, and then let's just, so you can see what it's doing here. So we'll click again. Now let's just see what it does. Okay, so you can now put that on your website and use that to attract attention to the order button. Now that was a real quick example. I'm sure you can do a lot better than that. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to upload, and it'll render it. It takes 15 different images to get that up there. All right, and there it is. Now you can share it to Facebook, Twitter, or Tumblr right here. Now if we right click on this, we can do save image as, and then we'll save it. Now let's go into our directory here. Let's open this. Okay, and there it is. So now you can just upload that to your server and use that where you need it. Okay, so in my case it would be an order button that would be striving to get their attention. Okay, so there you go. Now you know how you can use clickdragclick.com to create some cool images.